Hello everyone, my name is D. Barosai from ECE department. Today my topic is in search of a strategy against misinformation. Now we will discuss about the introduction to misinformation. Here we will discuss the introduction of the topic and what is the misinformation. Nothing means. Next topic is the rise of misinformation. Next topic is the type of misinformation. Here we discuss what are the types of misinformation. Next, the role of social media. What is the role of social media about the misinformation? Next, psychology factors. What are the psychology factors affected by the misinformation? Next, the impact of misinformation. What is the impact of misinformation? We will discuss here. Next, strategies for combating misinformation. What are the strategies? We will discuss here. Next, role of fact checking organization. What is the role of fact checking organization? The organization role in fact checking we will discuss here. Next, future directions. What are the future directions? We will discuss here. First, we will move to the introduction to misinformation. Misinformation refers to the false or misleading information. Misinformation nothing but the false or misleading information which is given by the someone else. Spreading regarding of trended, it can be significantly impact public options, health decisions or democratic process. Understanding the nature of source of misinformation is crucial to development efficient strategies. Next, the rise of misinformation. What is the rate of misinformation? Advent of the internet or social media platform has accelerated the spread of misinformation. Social media widely spread the misinformation greater than the normal or any letters, etc. Studies show that misinformation can be spread faster than functional information online. The rapid dissemination can be leads to the widespread public confusion and destruction in controlled source. Next, we will discuss about the types of misinformation. Here we will discuss how many types of misinformation is there and what are they. Misinformation can have many forms, including rumors, hoaxes, and fabricates news articles, etc. These are the types of misinformation. Disinformation, which is also called as misinformation, which is intentionally false, is a specific subset that aims to devise. Understanding these type can help in tailoring strategies to combat this spread effectively. Next, we'll discuss about the role of social media. How the role is played in the play of social media in the against misinformation. We will discuss here. Social media platforms are significant vectors for misinformation propagation. The social media plays a vital role in the misinformation, which they are rapidly spreading the misinformation to the people, those who are using social media. Algorithms often propagate magnetic oral accurate, amplifying misleading content. Users plays a crucial role in sharing content. The users also plays a crucial role sharing this misinformation to the next person, those who are using this social media, which can either comment or contribute to misinformation. They both only plays a vital role to spreading of this misinformation. Next, here we will use what are the social media contents: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. These are the social medias which are widely using by the nowadays human beings, which may spread misinformation rapidly. Next, physiological factor. What is the physiological factor? Cognitive biases such as confirmation biases contribute to the acceptance of misinformation, which is contribute towards only the acceptance of misinformation. Emotional responses can override rations like thinking, making individuals more susceptible to false claim. Addressing these psychological factors is essential in creating effective counter strategies. Next, the role of social media is also completed. Next, we'll discuss about the impacts of miscommunication. What are the impacts of miscommunication? We will discuss here. Misinformation can lead to the public health crisis as soon as seen during the COVID-19 pandemic, which leads to the public health crisis. We already know about what we are the consequences facing the COVID-19 pandemic years. Mostly misinformation is spread by the media, social media or medias, TVs, channels, etc., which are maximally spreading the misinformation only. It can erode trust in the institutions, medias, and sciences, which leads to the trust issues between the hospitals or institutes or any media, science, technologies. This lead the which break the trust between that institute and the person. The consequences tends to the electoral process, where misinformation can influence voter behaviors also. It influences the voter behavior too. Next, we will discuss about the strategies for combating misinformation. What are the strategies we will use to reduce this misinformation? Education and media literacy programs can empower individuals to critically evaluate information. Only the process is education, which can change the everything and every subject we will say through the education. Media also play a vital role in this stopping of this misinformation to the public. Collaborating with tech companies like ITs, etc., to improve content moderation can help to reduce the spreading of false information, which is used to reduce the spreading of false information. Promoting transparency in the formation of source can build trust and content information, which plays to for the trusting issues between the two person and the in this institute. Next, we will move for the role of fact checking organization. What is the role of fact checking organization? We will discuss here. Fact-checking organizations plays a vital role in verifying information and debunking false claims. It plays a vital role like debunking the false claims. They provide accessible resources for the public to confirm the validity of information, increased funding and support for these organizations can enhance their effectiveness. Like here we see first they climb and research, check facts, review facts and debates, judge. These are the process of this is the process of saying the truth information instead of misinformation. Next, further directions. It is nothing but the conclusion and what are the further directions we have to take. Continuing research on misinformation will help to refine strategies and understanding emergency trend. We find the continuous researching for the misinformation. We'll find some of the strategies which useful for to reduce the misinformation and adaptability approach that involves with technology and user behaviors in critical for effectiveness. Collective actions among individuals, organizations, and government is necessary to create a resilient and information ecology. These are the some of the government we have to take an individual actions for individuals or organizations, and government also plays a vital role to reduce this misinformation. These are the some of the further directions or to reduce the spreading of misinformation. Thank you.